What is this? Tell us more about the last message from visitor.
Did you know this ticket property, last message from visitor, that's the actual field or the property. What it does is it'll be true if the last message on a conversation was from a visitor. But if it's false, it's one of your agents. So was it internal or external? That's what this will do. So how do we use it? Well, we actually have it as a trigger on a ticket workflow. If someone has replied to a ticket, the client, it sends an internal notification. You might think, why do you need that? Why don't you just use, well, we just have backup people. The reason we did it is because often the ticket owner, well, not often, but sometimes the ticket owner's away, say on holidays, and a message, it was closed, the ticket was closed, and they came back, client replied. We just trigger an internal notification so that someone else picks it up. That's just the way we use it. I'm not saying that's a good user scenario, but the takeaway from this is the last message from visitor. That's actually a property you can use, and maybe you'll use that in your ticket workflows. By the way, that was Tara that worked that one out, Ian. Not a gem from Tara.
Fantastic. Good people, Craig. Good people on your team.
Yeah.